Condo Hotel waiting for our taxi, and we're about to go on a night out on the town in Nha Trang, hit up some bars and the nightlife. What's up, guys? So right here on the beach in Nha Trang, we're at this special place called Louisiane Brewhouse, and it's basically a Vietnamese brewery for a change, and we're gonna see how it is. But all the Vietnamese people here seem to be raving about it, and it's supposed to be a really popular restaurant here on the beach. So we just entered the Nha Trang night market. Walking around, exploring the sights after dinner. It's pretty lit in here. Reminds me of the Thailand one, but not as much people. Very cool items to the left and to the right of us. I might just buy something. Either way, it's pretty cool walking around. Very interesting items. Down the main pier or the main boardwalk area of Nha Trang. Pretty lit. A lot of cars everywhere, a lot of palm trees, restaurants, big sky rises. And now we're just walking to find our next destination, which is like a sky bar called Skylight. Yeah, we're going there. So I passed this area a couple of times in the car, and I would say that this is the main area and the most lit. We just got out of the night market. And there's like some colorful buildings over here. Still a lot of high-rise buildings, and this statue to the right of us. So yeah, it's pretty fun. We walked probably along the whole pier already, and now we're about to head to the Skylight Hotel, which is right ahead of us. I'm looking at it right now. That's it. So we just entered the hotel. Apparently it's called the Havana Hotel. It's pretty nice in here, but the main event is upstairs at the Sky Bar, the Skylight. But yeah, I'm getting really Vegas vibes from this place. The place is really nice, and it's along the beach too. It's a pretty nice hotel, if you will. So we just got in here and we were greeted by a creepy, tall, thin, slim Reaper. This place is pretty cool. It's really high. Reminds me of the Sky Bar in Singapore. It's really beautiful up here. beach for us to enjoy. So it's also a perk of going to the Sail Beach Club. We had a fun night, but it's gonna end pretty soon, so see you guys in the next video. Peace. Ending the night with some pho after the drink on the street.